Fifine metal USB condenser recording microphone for laptop, Mac or Windows. Cardioid studio recording vocals, voiceover, YouTube. Specifications. Brand name, Fifine. Style, tabletop. Transducer, condenser microphone. Use, computer microphone. Set type, single microphone. Polar patterns, cardioid. Communication, wired. Package, yes. Model number, K669B. Color, black, rose red. Weight, 540 grams. Power supply, 5 volts. Equivalent noise level, 16 dBA. S/N ratio, 78D flat. Electrical current, 3 mA. Polar pattern, unidirectional. Frequency response, 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Type, USB mic, computer mic, condenser mic, recording mic. Suit for live streaming, instrument recording, online meeting, self-studio. Overview. 1. Plug-and-play USB microphone that connects to your computer or laptop directly via USB port. Work with Mac and Windows Vista, XP, recording your music or podcast effortlessly. Not compatible with Xbox and phones. 2. Solid robust design body with stable tripod stand will come in handy whenever you are making voiceovers or live streaming for YouTube. 3. A recording microphone with dedicated gain volume knob itself, for louder output and more sensitive, your voice would be heard crispy and clean when using it in gaming, Skyping or voice recording. 4. PC microphone powered by USB 5V supply, requires number 48V phantom power supply, easy to set up before voice chat, voiceovers or streaming podcast. 5. USB microphone with cardioid polar pattern for recording, captures your voice clearly and smoothly when the microphone is pointed towards you. 6. Attention, if the mic suddenly stops working and doesn't pick up sound after the most recent Windows 10 update, please go to Settings Privacy Microphone and set it to allows apps to access the microphone. Please check your output selection when your headphones cannot hear anything. Package includes 1 USB microphone with 5.9 feet USB cable. 1 metal tripod stand. 1 user manual. Pictures overview.
Summer breeze came from the sea. Nighttime dances, colored pills. Morning sex under the tree. All in all, it was my fault. Don't you see I'm feeling blue? He believes in oil and gold, while I believe in you. I don't mind if you don't love me. I don't mind at all.
Price $30.89. Check description for purchase link. Thanks for watching.